I'm going to attempt to do this with as few tools as possible. So I'm going to just put the screwdriver underneath and then melt the pad there. Okay, yeah, it popped right off. Perfect. And then I'm going to do the second one. Melt that down. See, and then this is normally the part you would it'd put the flux on the two pads. And then this is actually a brand new battery. So I'm just going to put it right back on, but you got to make sure negative goes this way. So the negative side is this side and the positive side is this side. Obviously you can see the plus there. So we're going to put it like that. And then do the same thing in reverse. You just got to be very careful. See, the heat doesn't transfer super well, but yeah, no flux. Ooh, a little off center. So we'll pop that back out. Try to get it. There's a little circle that you put it right in the middle of. You see, like right here. That's not focused. There we go. The little gold circle. You want to try to get it in the middle of that. This is a super cheap tip too, so it's like not working great, but get all this melted. Come on, stick to the board. There we go. Cool it down. All right, and then here. Melt. It is not melting very good. There we go. Maybe. Yeah, that's why I use flux, but I mean that would work. Just it's a little ugly because I didn't use any flux and I'm using this cheap soldering tip, and I didn't use any new solder, but literally no tools used other than just a soldering iron and a flathead screwdriver. I didn't have to use flux, solder, braid, or anything else.